Take a ride in the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, front license plate bracket, full-size spare tire. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.